Welcome to this English lesson. Today, you'll learn simple and useful phrases to describe your daily routine in English. These phrases are perfect for beginners and will help you talk about your day clearly and confidently. I'll guide you step by step so you can start using them right away. Let's begin with the morning routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. Wake up means to stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. On weekends, I wake up later. After waking up, I brush my teeth. It's an important part of my morning routine. You can also say, I always brush my teeth in the morning and before bed. Then I take a shower. It helps me feel fresh and ready for the day. Some people prefer to take a shower in the evening instead. After my shower, I get dressed. Get dressed means to put on clothes. For example, I get dressed before breakfast. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. I usually eat toast and drink coffee or tea. After breakfast, I go to work. You can also say I go to school. It means you leave your home to start your day. In the afternoon, I have lunch. Have lunch means to eat lunch. I usually eat with coworkers or friends. I finish work at 5 p.m. That means my working day is over. Then I go home and relax. In the evening, I cook dinner. Sometimes I cook pasta or rice. You can also say I make dinner. After dinner, I relax and watch TV. I like watching news, movies, or series. It's a nice way to end the day. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. That means it's time to sleep. I try to sleep early during the week. Great job! Now you know how to describe your daily routine in English. Try using these phrases when you speak or write. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick English lessons.